Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming keyboards, and I've got something truly special for you all. Feast your eyes on the Logitech G713 wired mechanical gaming keyboard with LightSync RGB lighting. This keyboard isn't just any gaming peripheral. It's a masterpiece of design and functionality, offering the best Logitech keyboard lighting effects available in the market. Let's kick things off by talking about the design. The G713 comes in a stunning white mist colorway, evoking a sense of elegance and sophistication. But don't be fooled by its beauty. This keyboard is a beast when it comes to performance. One of the standout features of the G713 is its LightSync RGB lighting. With per-key and perimeter lighting, you can customize your gaming experience like never before. Whether you're in the heat of battle or just chilling out with some casual gaming, the Aurora Collection signature lighting sets the perfect mood. But what really sets the G713 apart is its versatility. This keyboard is compatible with both PC and Mac, making it a great choice for gamers across different platforms. And with its compact TKL layout and adjustable height, you'll enjoy that good game feeling all day long. Now, let's talk about performance. The G713 features Logitech's GX switches, giving you ultra-responsive feedback with every keystroke. Whether you prefer clicky, tactile, or linear switches, there's an option for every type of gamer. But the customization doesn't stop there. With Logitech's G-Hub software, you can personalize every aspect of your gaming experience. From lighting effects to key mappings, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about comfort. The G713 comes with a cloud-shaped palm rest, providing ergonomic support during those long gaming sessions. It's the little details like these that make all the difference. In conclusion, the Logitech G713 wired mechanical gaming keyboard with LightSync RGB lighting is a true masterpiece of design and functionality. With its stunning aesthetics, customizable lighting effects, and top-notch performance, it's the best Logitech keyboard for anyone looking to elevate their gaming setup. That wraps up our review of the Logitech G713. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy gaming!